In this exciting video, I'm going to show you the best way to start affiliate marketing from scratch as a beginner with little to no money at all. So in this video, this is what you will discover: the best niches to start in to make the most amount of money, the best affiliate networks as a beginner to start, and the best way to drive traffic to your affiliate link and your sales funnel to make money online. So make sure you watch this video all the way through, because I'm going to walk you through step by step so you don't have any questions, so you know exactly what to do. And keep watching to the very end, because I'm going to give you a free gift that's going to help you on your online journey as a new affiliate online. And let's get started right now. So to start affiliate marketing from scratch, the first step what you'll do is you need to pick the best niches. Now the best niches I want you to pick from is evergreen niches, which consist of relationship, wealth, and health. The reason why I'm telling you this is because everything in life ties around these three niches in life, such as like health. If your health is bad, then you're gonna mostly have to go to the doctor, and you're gonna have to pay money to get your health done and get better. And same thing with wealth. If you're at a situation in your life and you're struggling to make money, where you're gonna have to invest into like some program stuff to help you make money and so on and so forth. And same thing with relationship. If you're going through a divorce or something, and you want to get personal help from a coach or a consultant or something, you're gonna have to pay for money to get a divorce file and all that stuff drama you gotta go with relationship, right? So this is why I say health, wealth, and relationship all tied together for the best niches for affiliate marketing to be able to make money online with. So once you have done step one and pick your niche, it's time to step number two, which is find the best paying affiliate networks for beginners to start from scratch. So what you would do from here is I'm going to give you 3 different affiliate networks you can find for a beginner to start making money online. So the first one is I'm going to show you is ClickBank. Now on this platform, once you sign up for a free account, you log into your back office and find marketplace, and you can find different products in different categories on the side screen as you see right here. And or you can select from the top offers or like new offers that's available for you to promote as affiliate based off the niche you have selected from. So let's say my niche is relationship, right? So what I would do is go in here is go to the relationship niche, and I will find a product that's like converting very well based off the gravity score, and I will see if it's like reoccurring, so I can make like passive income, and I'll select the product for me to promote, and I'll simply go right here to promote and get my offer, my affiliate link from. And then from here it will tell me my account nickname, my tracking ID, and I go right here to create hop link. This is my affiliate link I could create and simply copy and paste to start promoting or free traffic. And make sure you keep watching, because later on this video I'm going to show you 3 secret traffic sources you can use as a beginner for free to start making money online with affiliate marketing from scratch. And so the next affiliate network platform you have is Warrior Plus, and it's similar to ClickBank just a little bit. And from here what you do is simply create an account, and you'll go right here to affiliates and go to offers, and then you'll see the top offers that's like converting very well and making a lot of sales with, such as like the secret email system, or like automated grow crypto 2.0, and so on and so forth. So you can basically find products based on your niche, like wealth, health, or relationship, and find products in here to basically promote as affiliate. And to get your link, you simply go right here to request and get your affiliate link to get approved for the product you're going to promote as affiliate online. And then the next affiliate network for beginners is the last one, called Jvzoo. On this platform you simply go to like affiliates on the side of the screen right here, and then go right here to find products, and you see all the products that has been sold, converting very well, EPC, which is earning per click, average pricing, and refund rates, and so much more. And this website is similar to Warrior Plus, and all you got to do is go right here to request approve again on the side screen and get your affiliate link and get approved for that product to promote as affiliate. Now before I show you the different ways how you can drive traffic to your sales funnel with affiliate marketing from scratch, make sure you comment down below affiliate marketing so you know you're finding value out of the video and liking this video so far. So the last step of what you would do now is that you'll drive traffic to your affiliate link, and this is step number 3. So from here what you can do is go to Instagram and create an account, and you can create a personal account like I have on my page right here, or you can create a theme page just like this. As you can see right here, this is about a making money online page, or you can do like a weight loss page or a relationship page, something like this, that's helping people based off the product you're trying to promote as affiliate. So if I'm doing make money online product, I can give out content like this, maybe the top business to make your first $5,000 online, 5 ways to make your first $1,000 a month, or how to earn money on YouTube, right? Maybe you can have a call to action in your bio, something like this: click the link in my bio for free training to make money online, or click the link in my bio to learn how to like lose weight, or click the link in my bio for free training to get a better relationship with your husband or wife, something like that. And you have your affiliate right here, and you have a call to action for that product you're promoting as affiliate. Now the second traffic source I want to show you is traffic source called TikTok. Now TikTok, you can do the same thing like you do with Instagram Reels. As you can see on my page, I'm showing like the top 3 ways you can make $100 a day passively, the most unused side hustle, the that will question your 9 to 5. So something that's based off your content, that's based off your niche, you can start pumping out content in here. So the last traffic source I want to show you is a traffic source called Pinterest. Now on Pinterest, there are 2 types of form of content you can give out to your audience, so they can know, like, and trust you, and most likely buy your product on Pinterest on this traffic source. So there's 2 ways you can do this with this. The first way is that you can give out simple pin posts, maybe like an article post or a blog post, something like this, related to your website. Or you can have like a short form video like you see on TikTok and Instagram Reels, maybe talking about like simple tips like to lose weight, meal plans, and different snack ideas for people to lose weight and something like that in the weight loss industry. And you can do this for like the make money online niche, or you can do this for like relationships as well. And then once you start promoting out content, you can send people to your sales funnel. With this woman, all she's doing is sending people a free meal plan. It stands for their first name and their email address, and then simply she's capturing their information so she can sell to them different products in her back end of a business to make money. And to build your sales funnel, I recommend this tool right here called Builderall.com. This tool right here is one of the best tools you can get under for $100. And the reason why it's for this is because you can get all the tools that you need for online business in one place. So this is why I highly recommend this platform to start building a sales funnel and building your email marketing list so you can sell other products online, from maybe like ClickBank, Jvzoo, or WordPlus, to build to make money online with affiliate marketing from scratch. Now, since you stay to the very end of this video, I'm going to give you my personal free ebook to help you make money online with affiliate marketing, because I know how it is to struggle as a new affiliate, don't know where to go, overwhelmed with new information, and consuming everything you see online from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and any other social media platform you probably use. So this is why I'm giving my free ebook that you get all the information and all in one place by somebody that has done affiliate marketing and made money. So this is why I'm giving my free ebook, and all you gotta do is click the second link in my description. It will be there for you to grab your ebook online. And if you want more content just like this, make sure you check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also going to show you more ways how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.